The ingredient for a really successful fashion image is to make someone that's looking at it feel something. You want the person to go there. I don't think it's about exactly what it looks like, but what the image makes them feel.
Great. Magic.
The thing you see most in the final result is the girl. So whenever I get a brief, I start with finding the right girl for the look and feel. Today we had Roberta. She had this beautiful tall frame. She could wear the dresses. That was the first step to put her in the middle, and then we built around that. The garments that we decided on for the shoot kind of trickled down from my concept of who this girl was. In my little dreamed up scenario, she's like the granddaughter of the lady that owns the place. Obviously the grandma was, quite a fashionista, and she's kind of rummaged through her wardrobe.
Drop both arms.
One of the reasons I did pick this house, because I knew that it's quite moody and I love the feel of it. There's pockets of light where you can work. The Canon 1 series has definitely got a spot in my kit because I know that every time I pull it out, it's gonna resist the rain, resist the dust. I don't like too much disruption to my flow, and if this Mark III is the same but with some extra magic in the ISO and the autofocus, that's enough for me. The press on it is that it's got, a better ISO performance. So we did a test at 3200 and 6400 and it really blew me away. The sharpness remained even at that high ISO. People want to see their product and they want to see the fine detail, and that looks like a big advantage for this Mark III version.
That's good. The sheen is magic. We wouldn't have had that with the Mark II for sure.
Right. There's a new smart controller on the back of the Mark III, which is a new thing, which I've been playing with today, which is amazing. I'm used to using 2 fingers to have to move the button around, like you're pushing down one and moving the dial. But now with the new smart controller, you just activate it and then you're just using your thumb like a joystick, and it's way faster. Anything that makes it faster and quicker when we're on location and the sun's setting and we're running out of light and we've still got 2 more shots to do, every second that I can keep for shooting, it's worth its weight in gold.
Nice.
We had a go at the eye tracking, which worked amazingly. We put it through its paces in the dimly lit room. Then we added some backlight, and then on top of that we added some fog and haze in between the talent and the lens. It found the face, and then if you were close then it would find the eye. Compared to the Mark II, the focus points are even more effective. It just seemed to get way more of a hit rate. Knowing that I'm going to get way more shots in focus in difficult situations helps my workflow. So that allows me more time to be involved with the direction or go that extra 50 meters to get that better light. When I heard that it had the 5.5K RAW, I was very excited because, as with my stills, I like to be able to grade and craft the final image. And also the 4K 60 with the no crop is huge. To be able to have that full sensor to work with the lenses, it just opens up way more possibilities. I guess I do fashion photography because I love all the things that go with it. I get to make a beautiful woman look beautiful, feel good. The clothes are always interesting. We get to travel. I've been to a million amazing places shooting, swimwear or couture. It's endless and every day's different. The key to doing a good shoot is for the photographer to solve the problems without fuss, because you don't want to lose the confidence of the client, art director, model. I guess it's just a matter of having the right tools so that you can quickly solve the problems and make the magic.
Great.